how to connect your Ton wallet to Zoo Airdrop. Let's get started. We need to open our Telegram to go and access our Zoo Airdrop easily. So you need to wait for it. Okay, this is it. So click on play. Once you click on play, the next thing you need to do here is wait for it to load. Okay, so the next thing is let's wait for it. You need to click on tags. Once you click on tags, then you scroll down. You're gonna scroll down and scroll on connect Ton wallet. Click on connect Ton wallet, and this is it. You'll be able to click on this. Click on Ton keeper. So you have to wait for it to load. Then we'll be able to connect our Ton wallet very easily. You can see this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Wallet. You can see. And this is it. I've automatically connect our Ton wallet to Zoo Airdrop. So guys, found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.